Hi guys, I'm Julie. Today I'm going to do the challenge, dye my hair by myself. Actually, it is not dyeing your hair, it is just make your hair have colors. It's DIY. First, I want to introduce this kind of product. Actually, it's coloring shampoo and it is called the Ultraviolet Shampoo Refresh. Violet is kind of the purple color. After I finish, my hair will be purple. So I just say that is not kind of dye your hair. It just make your hair have color. It may be maintain color on your hair for 4 days or 5 days. I think it is a good way to make some people their first time want to dye their hair. They can use this kind of product first and to make sure what kind of color they really want. It's really they like or they don't like, they can choose another color or they decided that one day color for their hair. Second, I think it also will be helpful for someone that really like try something new and different color every month, every week. So they can use this kind of product every week to change their color because they like to try something new and they will know something they are really like and have a different color every week. Well, let's do it. So the first step, we need to wear this and prevent the coloring shampoo on our t-shirt. And next we need to prepare the gloves to prevent our hand to get the color. And then you need to prepare this kind of ball, and this make it easier because this is so big and easy to make your hand to head it and put on your hair. And then here is our shampoo product coloring, and maybe press for 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8. So we need to stir it first. Yeah. You can see the color here. Yeah, it's a dark purple. Hair is already bleached. You can use this kind of product to make your hair have a color. So if you are not bleach your hair, you can have this color very apparent like me, because Asian people, we have a dark color hair and dark brown color hair, so not like the general Western people. So if you want to use this kind of product, you need to bleach your hair first. So let's start. The first step, I need to put it on my hair just like this and put it like this. Put it on your hair. It's not so difficult so far. And put it, and then another side. My band also need. So I just put and then your back side. You can put it into every side of your hair. So make sure you have already have a shampoo on it. Yeah, you can see a purple color on it. put all of the shampoo on my hair, and you can see the color is become a little different. And the beginning, it is a shampoo, so after you use it, you can rush it out right away. But I want that you look more strong before and after picture, so I will let the shampoo on my hair for about 20 minutes. So it is okay if you want the color on your hair for a longer time. You can stay the shampoo on your hair more longer, so you can see the more strong color on your hair. So that's waiting for 20 minutes. It's time to wash my head. It's after 20 minutes. I'm really excited how it will like, so let's enjoy it. Hey, I'm already washed my hair, so now I'm going to dry my hair. I'm back. So now I have already dried my hair, and you can see the color. Most of all, they are already dyed, and you can see the color is a purple. Yeah, it's not so dark because I already bleached my hair, so make the violet color look not like so dark than when you see it in my bowl at the time. So I think it's a very strong difference. You can see this is my original color, and this is after I dyed it. We succeed. So this is the end of my video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.